Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here at the park again. Got two planes out here this time, but I want to focus on this one right here in this video. This is the XK A310, and it's a little bike. And this plane has been off and on. It's been off and on with how it's flying with me. At one point, I didn't have the rudder working correctly. I found that the rudder wasn't moving all the way, and so I actually deactivated the rudder so that I have no response. And I was flying it that way because it seemed like it was causing me to stall with the rudder going to one direction harder than the other. But hopefully I fixed it. I kind of put the rudder in working status with this plane over here, and so I'm hoping that it's the same way with this one, being that they have the same controller and all of that stuff, the same transmitter. I have not flown. I need to fly this with the stock transmitter, but I think I misplaced it. So what I think I'm going to do eventually is just fly it with this one over here, with the transmitter for this one, if I don't find a transmitter for the A310. But I also lost the little control extensions that go from one wing to the top wing, from the bottom wing to the top wing. I lost one of them, could not find it, and so I elected to take the other one off. And so I guess this is going to be a double test. Oh, a triple test, because I actually changed the battery lead on it, the power lead, and I made some space. I melted out a little bit of the surroundings of the battery bay there in order to fit this 300 milliamp hour G&B 3S pack, and it has the XT30, so I had to swap this connection to XT30. Same with that one over there. I swapped it to XT30, but that one is a little cleaner than this one. This one actually had to have some of the frame of the battery bay melted out. But it allowed for me to fit this in there. I wanted to see if this guy flies with 3S, so we could possibly just get the magic smoke in this video, and that be the end of the video. If we do have the magic smoke, then I'll just go straight to flying this one on 3S. But let's try it. So 3S, the rudder hopefully is fixed, and we're going to try and see if this thing flies without the control arms. We're just going to be using the control surfaces for the aileron on the bottom wing, and of course we're flying it with the boxer transmitter. Let's get it in the air. Also, I was down for a while because my phone, as you guys know, I record all my videos with the phone, and my phone was down. And so now I have a new phone, and hopefully this plane doesn't go up in smoke. Let's try it. We're going to plug it in. Okay, so it didn't go up in smoke initially. See if we can get the battery leads tucked in. Okay, we got the battery leads tucked in. Let's see, we're going to turn on the boxer.
Welcome to HTX.
Hopefully it binds right away. We got one of these weird biting flies over here. Let's see. Is it down? Don't look like it's binding. Okay, it's down now, and it didn't go up in smoke. So let's see what the ailerons are working. That rudder does not look like it's working correctly. I'm gonna have to adjust the rudder and pull it out. Yes, that appears to have straightened it out a little. Okay, so let's try 3S, y'all. And she's flying. You got a wind. It's flying nice actually. On 3S. Let's try the other direction. Yeah, it's controllable. It's flying nice actually. I'm at about 40% throttle. Okay, I'm gonna try to fly by full throttle, y'all. Let's go now. And it was too much. I don't know if it conked out or whatnot, but it did not go full throttle. When I went full throttle, I heard a funny sound, and it didn't seem like it was going to allow me to go full throttle. But it's going pretty fast now at about 60% throttle. Back down to 50%. Okay, that's about 60%. Yeah, I'm guessing going full throttle. There it is right there, full throttle. Whoa, it's really twitchy. I need to put some expo on it. It's flying nice though, y'all. I think this might be the best I've seen it fly. So with this combination, I don't know if this battery is definitely heavier. It's a 300 milliamp hour 3S pack from G&B. I showed y'all in the beginning. Look how well it's gliding, y'all. And I took that control surface off of it. I mean, not the control surface, I took the control arm, the extension from the bottom to the top, because I lost one of them. Yeah, it's flying really nice, y'all. And it's really windy out here. Let's see if I can do a roll. Oh, the roll was crazy up there. Must be a lot of wind though. I'm scared to try another roll, y'all, because that didn't look good. Let's see if we can do a loop though. The loop wasn't too bad. We're coming back around. Oh no! Oh no! And she didn't turn hard enough for me. And we're up in the tree, y'all. So it sounds like we were falling down, but I don't know if it came to the ground. Ah man, we might have just lost her. And it was flying great, but it's very windy out here. Ah man, and that's high in the tree. It's pretty windy, so hopefully the wind will be able to blow it out. If it is stuck up in the tree, I'm guessing if I have to end up throwing something up there to knock it down, it's probably going to get damaged. So, and it looks like we're going to have to try getting it out the tree, because I don't see it at all. I kind of cut throttle. Wait, let's go up here and make sure it didn't come down on the street level here. So I don't see it. Okay, I can hear it. So it's up there. Can't even see how far it's up, but I can hear it. It's over this direction. Okay, I see it here. let y'all know I did get this back out of the tree. Did manage to get it down in one piece. And so I took the battery out of it. I really don't want this battery to die. It took me a while. I guess we're maybe about 45 minutes later. And I'm willing to say that and accept that this is a good flyer without those control sticks right there that connect the top wing to the bottom wing aileron. It works without them. So if you lose that, no worries. It actually seems like it might fly just as well this way, and so it lives to fly another day. The XK A310 biplane from AliExpress. AliExpress, good finds, y'all. I can't find the codes on AliExpress anymore. I don't know if they made changes to their website or whatnot, or what's going on, if there's maintenance going on, but I can't find any codes, and it's been that way for a few days now. So I'll have the link in description. No codes. It's a pretty decent price anyhow, though. I think you can get this for about 90 bucks or so, under $100 for sure. Thanks for watching.